She says, this festival is way, way too big. I lose my friends, I can't find them again. I need something smaller. So she says, I'm gonna throw my own festival in my backyard. She goes to her backyard, she throws the festival, and she realizes it's a really hard job. She says, it's too small, it's too difficult. She comes down here to Axton, Virginia, to Roosterwalk, and she says, that festival is just right. So Goldilocks doesn't like paying for a ticket. Goldilocks likes to become a vendor and get into the festival that way. And what does she make? Of course, she makes oatmeal. That is right, she makes oatmeal. And the thing about oatmeal is you gotta make it just right. And Goldilocks knows how to make it just right, and that's why she's here at Roosterwalk today. And here's your instructions. The porridge is hot. The porridge is cold. The porridge is hot. The porridge is out. The porridge is hot. The porridge